Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into the topic how to log into Target account. Before logging into Target account, make sure you have created an account first. Then go to the Target website by typing www.target.com. Here on the Target website, look for the sign in button, which is located in the right corner next to the search bar. Click on it. Here, enter your credentials. First, enter your email address. Then enter your password. Click on sign in with password. You can add your phone number for account security and notifications, or just skip this page. You can also enter your birthday to get a 5% off gift every year. And that is, guys, how we log into Target account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more.